So, most developers use loops, but senior developers control loops. Today, in 5 minutes, I will show you the 5 loop patterns that power real production system in .NET, from login retries to validation engines to enterprise data processing. And by the end of this video, you will never look at a for loop the same way again. Let's write like a senior developer. Now, this is not just counting from 1 to 5. This is deterministic iteration. Int I is equals to 1. This means initialization. I lesser than or equals to 5. This means condition. I++, controlled mutation. A senior developer sees this and think: predictable memory, known iteration count, optimal for indexing array. This is what you use when you know the number of iteration. Now, if you don't know how many times something will run, don't use a for loop. Now, this is how login system work. This is how retry policy work. This is how resilient API work. The while loop runs as long as the condition is true. This is for uncertainty. You don't control the number, you control the rules. If you forget attempt ++, congratulations, you just build an infinite loops. This loop executes at least once. Why? Because sometimes in life and in programming, you must try before you check. This is powerful for input validation. It guarantees users interaction before evaluation. A junior developer sees repetition. A senior developer sees user experience control. Now, this is elegant. No index, no boundary condition, no off by 1 errors. If you are looping through a collection and you are not modifying it, use foreach. It's clearer, it's safer, it's cleaner, and it's senior. Now, this is where developers become engineers. Continue, skip this iteration. Break, stop everything. Imagine processing millions of financial transactions. The moment fraud is detected, break, stop, exit, protect the system. Now, loops are not about repetition. They are about control. Control over execution, control over performance, control over logging. Master loops and you master flow. When you master flow, you start thinking like a senior .NET engineer. Follow me for real-world .NET mastery. Tomorrow, we will build something production level. Share, like, and comment your opinion. I am in the comment section waiting for you. I'm here to answer all your queries. Thank you for joining.